Hi ladies, my name is Lori and I will never diet again. I'm going to make some cornbread using the Kickin Corn Muffins recipe from the Engine2 cookbook. You've seen me make it before, and I'm going to add my flaxseed to my 1 1/4 cups of oats. Give that a whirl so that we have oat flour. Add it to my cornmeal that's pre-measured out, my 1/2 cup of maple syrup and a cup of water, and a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. To bake it for 30 minutes, about 30 minutes on 350. Combine all the ingredients. And just like regular cornbread, don't stir it up too much, just enough to get it all wet. And we're gonna put this in the loaf, silicone loaf. In the oven we go for about 30 minutes, I imagine, and if you can believe it, I've got a new oven. I don't even have a red broom here propping up the door. Isn't that amazing? Look at that. That looks really good. Yeah, I'm a bread maker, so 30 minutes. This is gonna be yummy. Like and subscribe, please.